Typhoon Leon slammed into Taiwan's eastern coast, unleashing its fury on the island nation. The storm brought torrential rain and howling winds. Coastal communities were particularly hard hit. Waves crashed over seawalls, flooding streets and homes. Leon made landfall as a powerful typhoon. It was the strongest storm to hit Taiwan in decades. The storm's arrival had been anticipated for days. Authorities issued warnings and urged residents to prepare. Many heeded the warnings. They boarded up windows and stocked up on supplies. Evacuation orders were issued for low-lying areas. Thousands sought shelter in government-run facilities. Despite the preparations, the storm's impact was severe. Leon left a trail of destruction in its wake. The full extent of the damage is still being assessed. Typhoon Leon was a storm of exceptional intensity. It packed sustained winds of over 150 miles per hour. Gusts were even stronger, reaching nearly 200 miles per hour. The storm's size was also immense. Its diameter spanned hundreds of miles. Meteorologists classified Leon as a super typhoon. This is the highest category on the typhoon intensity scale. It signifies a storm of catastrophic potential. Leon's strength and size drew comparisons to past super typhoons. These storms have historically caused widespread devastation. They serve as stark reminders of the destructive power of nature. Leon's arrival brought back memories of these past events. Many residents feared the worst. Scientists have long warned about the link between climate change and extreme weather events. Warmer ocean temperatures provide fuel for typhoons. This can lead to more intense storms. Climate change can also increase the likelihood of heavier rainfall. These factors were evident in Typhoon Leon. The storm formed over abnormally warm waters. This contributed to its rapid intensification. The storm also dumped record amounts of rain on Taiwan. This exacerbated flooding in many areas. The severity of Leon has reignited the debate about climate change. Some experts argue that it is a wake-up call. They urge for immediate action to address the climate crisis. Others caution against attributing any single event to climate change. Section 4. A Trail of Destruction. Leon's devastating impact. Typhoon. Leon left a path of destruction across Taiwan. Homes were reduced to rubble. Businesses were destroyed. Infrastructure was severely damaged. The storm's impact was felt across the island. The death toll from the storm continues to rise. Hundreds of people were injured. Many are still missing. Search and rescue teams are working tirelessly to locate survivors. The task is daunting. Debris and flooding are hampering their efforts. The storm caused widespread power outages. Millions were left without electricity. Communication networks were also disrupted. This made it difficult for people to reach loved ones and emergency services. The situation is dire for many. Section 5. Taiwan responds. A nation mobilizes in the face of disaster. Despite the widespread devastation, the spirit of resilience is evident in Taiwan. Communities are coming together to support each other. Neighbors are helping neighbors. Strangers are lending a helping hand. The Taiwanese government has mobilized its resources. Military personnel have been deployed to assist with rescue and relief efforts. Emergency shelters have been set up to provide refuge for those who lost their homes. Aid is being distributed to those in need. International aid organizations are also responding to the crisis. They are providing essential supplies such as food, water, and medical aid. The outpouring of support is a testament to the global community's compassion. Section 6. Leon's Legacy, a harbinger of storms to come. Typhoon. Leon serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature. It also highlights the growing threat posed by climate change. As the planet continues to warm, we can expect to see more frequent and intense extreme weather events. The international community must come together to address this challenge. We need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. We need to invest in renewable energy sources. We need to adapt to the changing climate. The time for action is now. Typhoon Leon may be gone, but its legacy will endure. It will serve as a reminder of the importance of preparedness, resilience, and global cooperation. We must learn from this disaster and work together to create a more sustainable and resilient future.